How to buy PayPal gift card online. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open any of the browser. Go to the search bar and search for paypal.com/gift. Now you can scroll down to see the gift cards on PayPal. So to be specific, you can go to the search bar and search for particular options. Now you can scroll down again. On the gift card you want to purchase, just want to go ahead and tap on it. Now you want to scroll down and select how much you want to purchase, and then if it's for you yourself or it is a gift. If it is for yourself, tap on this is for me, and then you want to tap on add to cart. And if it is for a gift, tap on this is a gift and enter the email and personal message, and then tap on add to cart. Tap on checkout or continue shopping, and that is how you can buy PayPal gift card online. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.